So last time we learned about a buffer gate, and simply a buffer gate is a device that outputs the value that it has in its input. So if it's on, the LED will turn on. If we turn the switch off, the LED will turn off as well. So that's basically how a buffer gate operates. So today we're going to learn a NOT gate. A NOT gate is exactly the difference of a buffer gate. So it outputs the value opposite to the input. So if it's off, it's going to be on. If it's on, it's going to be off in the output. And how can transistors be made to make such a device? So today we're going to look about that. So what you're going to need if you're making this at home, we're going to require a transistor, an LED, 2 resistors, 1 switch, 1.5V and 5-volt power supply. You can use 3 volt. So we are going to make, so this transistor is right there, the 5-volt power supply. We are going to connect to the collector, and we're going to put the resistor which is going to powering the LED. We're going to put the 1.5 resistor, the switch, and we're going to connect the lower part which is the negative power supply. So the circuit at this point is said to be off. You can see the switch is off. So once we press the switch, let's see what's going to happen. So the current has 2 options. Once it reaches this junction, it has the option of going through the transistor or going through the resistor to LED. But current chooses the path of less resistance, so it's going to choose the path of the transistor since it's on at the base. So at this point, it's not going to turn on the LED. The LED will remain off. What if we release the switch? Now at this point, since current chooses the path of resistance, it's going to choose the path of the LED. Since the path of the transistor is open, it cannot flow to the emitter, so it's going to choose the path of the LED and turn it on likewise. So that's basically how NOT gate operates. So if it's on, it's going to be off at the output. If it's off in the input, it's going to be on in the output through the LED. So that's basically what a NOT gate and how a NOT gate operates. So if you like this demonstration, please hit that subscribe button, and hope to see you next time. So next time we're going to look at AND gate, and we're going to move on to other complex logic gates. So yeah, hope to see you next time. Goodbye.